Welcome to today's educational session. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating topic of the human eye, focusing on 30 important questions along with their answers and definitions as outlined in the NCERT curriculum. Understanding the human eye is crucial for grasping concepts related to vision and optics. So, let's explore this essential subject together. The human eye is a remarkable organ that enables us to perceive the world around us through vision. It functions much like a camera, capturing light and converting it into electrical signals that are processed by the brain. 1. What is the function of the human eye? Answer. The primary function of the human eye is to convert light into electrical signals, which are then interpreted by the brain to create visual images. 2. Define the cornea. Answer. The cornea is the transparent, dome-shaped front part of the eye that helps to focus light onto the retina. 3. What role does the iris play in vision? Answer. The iris controls the size of the pupil and regulates the amount of light entering the eye. 4. Explain the function of the lens. Answer. The lens focuses light onto the retina by changing its shape, allowing us to see objects at varying distances clearly. 5. What is the retina? Answer. The retina is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye that contains photoreceptor cells, rods and cones, which detect light and color. 6. What is the pupil and what is its function? Answer. The pupil is the opening in the center of the iris that allows light to enter the eye. Its size adjusts in response to light levels. 7. Define the term, aqueous humor. Answer. The aqueous humor is the clear fluid between the cornea and the lens that helps maintain intraocular pressure and provides nutrients to the eye. 8. What is the vitreous humor? Answer. The vitreous humor is the gel-like substance between the lens and the retina that helps maintain the eye's shape. 9. Explain the term, optic nerve. Answer. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. 10. What are rods and cones? Answer. Rods are photoreceptor cells that detect light intensity and are responsible for vision in low light conditions. Cones are responsible for detecting color and detail. 11. What causes color blindness? Answer. Color blindness is caused by a deficiency in the cone cells of the retina, affecting the ability to distinguish certain colors. 12. Define nearsightedness. Answer. Nearsightedness, or myopia, is a vision condition where nearby objects are seen clearly, but distant objects appear blurry due to light focusing in front of the retina. 13. What is farsightedness? Answer. Farsightedness, or hyperopia, is a condition where distant objects are seen clearly, but close objects appear blurry due to light focusing behind the retina. 14. Explain astigmatism. Answer. Astigmatism is a refractive error caused by an irregular shape of the cornea or lens, resulting in blurred or distorted vision. 15. What is the role of the blind spot? Answer. The blind spot is the area on the retina where the optic nerve connects to the eye, lacking photoreceptors, thus creating a gap in the visual field. 16. How does light enter the eye? Answer. Light enters the eye through the cornea, passes through the pupil, is focused by the lens, and is then projected onto the retina. 17. Define accommodation in terms of vision. Answer. Accommodation is the process by which the eye's lens changes shape to focus on objects at varying distances. 18. What is the role of the ciliary muscles? Answer. The ciliary muscles adjust the lens's shape for focusing on near or distant objects, aiding in accommodation. 19. Explain how the eye adjusts to darkness. Answer. In darkness, the pupil dilates to allow more light to enter the eye, and rod cells in the retina become more active to improve vision in low light conditions. 20. What is visual acuity? Answer. Visual acuity is the sharpness or clarity of vision, often measured using an eye chart. 21. What is the average number of eyelashes per eye? Answer. On average, each eye has about 150 to 200 eyelashes. 22. How does the eye perceive depth? Answer. Depth perception is achieved through binocular vision, where the brain combines the slightly different images from each eye to perceive distance and depth. 23. What is the role of tears? Answer. Tears keep the eye moist, provide nutrients, and help remove debris. 24. How does aging affect vision? Answer. Aging can lead to presbyopia, a condition where the lens becomes less flexible, making it difficult to focus on close objects. 25. What are optical illusions? Answer. Optical illusions are images that deceive the visual system into seeing something different from reality due to the brain's interpretation of visual information. That concludes our exploration of the human eye. We've covered essential questions and definitions that help illuminate how this incredible organ works. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.